Hi guys, back in the Peugeot Partner. Yeah, I'm sat in the back today because I've got some curtains and some lights that I bought off of Amazon that I'm just going to try whacking them up, see what they're like, and then I'm going to paint the boot jump at the back with a bit of paint, and I've got a bit of like floor mat to go in it, so we'll put that down. Obviously I have to wait for the paint to dry first, but I need to put that down because I've actually got the table leg now, so I'm going to put that on as well. Whether I'll do it in this video or not, I don't know, because I need to wait for the paint to dry. But first of all, let's have a look at these couple of bits I've got from Amazon here. I've got a dividing curtain to divide this bit here. Although I am going to make window blinds as well, but I just thought it would keep it nice, and I can just pull a curtain across or something like that. So I've got one of them, so we'll whack that up and see what that's like. And I've got some lights as well that were recommended to me, so let's have a look at them quickly. Okay, this is what we got. I've got these lights from Amazon, D-Take LED night lights. They look quite good actually. Apparently they last a long time. They're rechargeable. So open them up, have a look. And you got like magnetic strips and to hold them up. But apparently they're rechargeable, so you can plug them in. They take USB-C. Oh, excuse my hands by the way. They're really stained because I did the I'll just say quickly, I did the job on the starter motor yesterday, and my hands are really stained. I've scrubbed them and scrubbed them and scrubbed them. Honestly, I'm not a skank. I do wash my hands, but they're clean. But because my hands are quite rough anyway, because I do building work, obviously it gets into all the little nooks and crannies, and I just can't get it out. So I've got some Swarfiga on the way from Amazon today. I will I'll link that in the description actually as well. Swarfiga to clean your hands if you're doing this kind of work. Some of that on the way. Back to the lights, yeah. So yeah, you just flick them on like that, and they're really bright. And apparently they last a long time. And you can charge them off a USB, what's it called? Off a power bank as well. What settings have you got on it? You've got auto. So it must, that's it, yeah, you can have them on a sensor. So basically it senses you, but we don't want that. Have them on all the time. There you go. So you can just flick them on when you need them. When you want to take them down to charge them, you just literally you have your magnetic, your strip on the back, and you've got magnetic strips in the box as well. You'll put them somewhere. We'll find a place, maybe there on the pillar post. Or maybe on the back. Have one on the back tailgate, and maybe one up here somewhere. We'll have to see, but that should let off quite a bit of light. Obviously in the end I will get one of those like Jackery power things to go in here, because they're really good. But at the moment, to start off, I'm just going to get stuff like this just to get me going, and just see how we go. I mean, these might be fine for what I need. Summer's coming up, you ain't going to need much light really, are you? It stays late for longer, stays light for longer, sorry. So yeah, you only need it for a little bit, the lights. But apparently these do last for ages and ages, so we'll have to try them out. I'll get them up in a minute and we'll see. Okay, so I've got them, and I've got this. This is the curtain divider. I got this off Amazon as well. It's like a generic one. It's not specifically for this car. I've got no idea what it's going to be like, but we'll get it up and give it a try. By the way, both of these products, and I'll link in a power bank as well to charge the lights off of that I use, and some Swarfiga as well for washing your filthy hands, which I got on the way today. Yeah, I'll link them all in the description. If you're interested in buying them, you can just go to the link there and order them straight for Amazon from my link. If you do use my link, I will get paid a slight, a small royalty. I've just got to disclose that to you. But yeah, anyway, let's get these curtains up and see exactly what they're like. I believe they come with little hooks that hook into like your pillar posts here, but that's obviously gonna only come down to sort of that height. But on these, you've got these little holes. So I was thinking if I put one up there and one up there, it will stay up further. And then what I'll do is I'll use some perhaps Velcro down these sides here, just to Velcro the curtains down. So let's do that first. Let's get it up there. Okay, so I've just opened it up. You get these little clips. I suppose they clip on to whatever you're going to hang it up on, and that's the thing itself. Let's open it up. Oh, it's already got some clips on there as well. Let's open it up and see exactly how it works, because I've got no idea at the moment. It doesn't come with any instructions or anything. It looks easy enough though. Okay, this is what we got. Oh, I'll get out and... Okay, this is what it looks like. I couldn't have it going all the way to the top because it didn't quite work. It didn't look right. But, right, you've got that gap. But if you think about it, you're going to have window blinds in anyway that I'm going to make. Got the stuff for that there to make them. So this would just add that little bit of privacy if you needed to, if you just wanted to block the front off from the back sort of thing, you know. You get some like Velcro, put a little bit of Velcro there. You can like, see what I mean? Just attach it on both sides, and that'd be pretty, give you a pretty good bit of privacy or something. Perhaps if you want to use a like porta potty or something like that in private. But yeah, once the bed's laid out as well, it'll give you a nice little sort of backdrop. So yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Definitely worth £7 something or whatever it is. So when you're not using them, they just sort of tie away like that. That's that side. So they come with little ties to. So yeah, not too bad. I'll tell you what though, the material is perfect for lining these window blinds. It's perfect. So I reckon those two at the front, these two would do the windscreen. I reckon another one, yeah, you could possibly use this to line this insulated roll as well. It's just a perfect sort of plasticky material, so I might look at that as well. I might look at using them for that and buying some more and doing them like that. But anyway, they're the curtains. Unfortunately they don't quite, it's because of this weird shape here, isn't it? It's yeah, it's a weird shape, these vans. I don't want them too far, I don't want to put them sort of too far forward in there, because then they'll be flapping against me when I'm driving. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Right, let's look at the lights. Okay, the lights come with 3 little metal, these are thin strips of metal, 3M tape to attach the metal to, I don't know, attach it to the magnets already come with tape on them. So that's to attach to them, to attach then to your car, and then the magnets go on the back of the lights, I would imagine. So yeah, let's have a look at putting these up, see what they're like. What I'm trying to do is just have a LED light there, and the same on this side with it like that. But if I put that on there, it won't stick. Well, it'll stick for a few seconds and it'll just fall off because it's you know, but that's what I'm trying to achieve. And then you've got a light on both sides, and they're quite bright as well. You can't really see it because it's daylight, but yeah, I think they'd be quite good actually. When it's dark in here, it'll light up quite well. So yeah, they're pretty good. Well, they're definitely good lights, I'll just have to find a way of sticking them to that. And then actually that's taken a little bit now. I think it takes a little while for the glue to activate on the back. Yeah. Perhaps if no, it just comes off. I'll hot glue it on. I'll hot glue one there and I'll hot glue one there. But that's what I'm going to use for lights for now. I think they're pretty good. They're pretty bright. They're removable. They come with 2 leads as well. You get 2 USB-C to USB charging cables with it as well. And they're, I think, about £10 something for 2 of them. It's £10.69 or something like that. Absolute bargain. So you can have 4 of them going. You could buy 4, stick 2 of them up. If the batteries run out, then just whack another 2 up while the other 2 are on charge. Or who knows? People reckon they last a long time. So, you know, and you can use a USB, what are they called, power bank to charge them as well. And because they're on a sensor, you could put them onto auto like that. And then if you get out of the vehicle and you go off and you go for a wander, you could have it so when you open the doors and come back, boom, they come on automatically. So when they sense you get in the vehicle. So yeah, actually really impressed with them. Not impressed with the fact I can't stick them up, but that's the car's fault. But yeah, so they're really good. I like them. They're really good lights, really bright, hard to demonstrate obviously because it's daylight now, but definitely worth the money they are. Well, you can't go wrong really for just over a tenner, can you? Well, that's what they were at the time that I bought them. You know, it's like with Amazon, stuff goes up and down. But I'll link these 2 products in the description anyway, and you can just have a look at them. And if you like them, you can just click on the link and buy them. And they're really bright. They are really bright. Oh, that one's on auto, but if I go like that, see, it comes back on. That wasn't a very good demonstration. If I put it on, there you go. Yeah, they're not even fully charged either. They're straight out the box. I haven't bothered charging them or anything yet, so yeah, they're good. I just got to find a way of sticking them to there and there, or maybe to the ceiling or something. But yeah, very good. While I'm here, I've got this mat that I'm going to cut down to go on the floor in the boot jump. A little bit of carpet. Obviously I've got to paint it, then put this down. Then I'm going to put I've got the, what's it called? The table stand, the table leg. That's going to screw into this. And then the table will sit on top. But I actually got this from Aldi's. They're selling them. I think it's $5.99 this is for this thing. So yeah, and it cleans, it's made for, you know, dirty feet. So it's easily cleaned. And these rolls, they're ideal. It's exactly what you make the window blinds out of. I've got 2 rolls of that. But that material there, I think that might be a really good backer for it. So yeah, might look into doing that. I was going to go outside now and paint the boot jump, but it's raining. Unbelievably, it's raining. Always raining, isn't it? Nightmare. So as usual, it's raining now, so I won't be able to paint the boot jump because it'll be getting wet while I do it. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Just a little, you know, show you these couple of products and everything. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure about this really. The thing is, it doesn't go up to the ceiling. I might have to make something custom to go in there. Or just make do with the window blinds that I'm going to make. But however, the material, like I say, the material is ideal and it's quite cheap as well. So I might order some more of these and use it as the backing material for my window blinds. I might have it on both sides because it's really expensive to buy material, so it might just be cheaper to buy these and just cut these up and use them. Boot jump, you meant to have the headrests right out like that, then the seats lay exactly right. Now I've got to extend these bits slightly because for some reason on the design it designed it like that, but it's meant to go like that and then the legs sort of prop it up underneath, you see, but for some reason it was designed like that, so I just followed the design, but it's not right. So I'm going to cut a couple of bits of wood to extend down, but in the end I will probably make something bigger when I get a bit of ply. If I find a bit that works, it's going scrap or something, I ain't buying anymore. But let's chuck a couple of legs on it, cut some ply in the rain just to make some legs for this. Okay, I've added some legs to the boot jump to make it more sturdy at the back. There you go, you can see it lays a lot flatter now, which is better for a bed. Yeah, the design didn't come with any legs for some weird reason. I've just seen a flaw in my plan, I think. Let's have a look. Well, that's it laying flat anyway, which is a lot better, but it's the seat configuration. I don't know if that bottom bit that I've put on is going to work. Let's give it a try. First of all, I'll fold it up. As you can see, it folds up like that. I haven't sunk these screws in yet, I'm just trying it at the moment. Let's put it in the seat configuration quickly. And then you can sit against there, you see. Yeah, that's fine. Obviously the other seat will be back as well, but I'm just testing at the moment. That's the table. Yeah. And there's the little floor area. Nice. Okay, that's better. At least I've accomplished something today anyway. Just briefly, another thing I'm going to do is add switches on the inside so you can actually open the window and the door, the back door on the outside. You can do that by, you can't really see it through the window, but there's a little thing there, we can put a little switch there and there, so from the inside you're able to press it and the back door will open. It's quite an easy job apparently, just got to take this panel off. So yeah, we'll be doing that at some stage as well. Oh yeah, another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to refurb the wheels. I'm not going to go mad with it. I'm not going to like sand it right back to get rid of all this, but it's not really that deep to be honest, but I'm going to sand them back and then just spray them. So I might spray them black or nice metallic silver or something, but I don't want to go too mad because obviously it's meant to be a stealth camper, so I don't really want it to stand out, if you know what I mean. But at the same time I want it to look decent. So yeah, we'll do the wheels, we'll do the switches for the back door, and we've got to make these window blinds. So yeah, there's a few jobs coming up, so stay tuned. Ideal. Nice. That's it for this video guys. I'll be back next time. Next time we'll paint the boot jump and get it all sorted with the table and everything like that, and it'll look a lot better, look more realistic. What else have I done as well? I'll show you the table leg I bought. Nah, I'll leave it to next time, it'll be a surprise. Alright, cheers guys, bye.